Hey guys, it's Mike, Susan, and Christina. It's our year in review video. We had a good year this year. A little challenging, some things we didn't get done, some things we did, which was nice. Got to see a lot of new places. Susan, what was your favorite part of the year or trip?
I would have to say backpacking in Laverkin.
Backpacking in Laverkin, Utah. That's was a very challenging hike for you, and you almost died.
No, not all.
No, she didn't almost die.
But I did learn some lessons.
She learned some lessons. Christina, what was your favorite part of
seeing the General Sherman tree?
The General Sherman tree while the park was on fire. Sequoia was on fire while we were there. Was different. A lot of smoke, no people, which was nice. But the park was on fire, and we did get almost
evacuated, kind of
evacuated.
Yeah, they closed the park like right as we were leaving.
Yeah. Everybody, thanks for the support.
What was your favorite?
Oh, yeah, my favorite was Laverkin. It was a nice being able to get out into the backcountry of Utah. That was fun. Challenging for some. But sorry. Thanks for the support, guys. Thanks for the views and the comments, and continue to do it all next year. Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. Down the road, there's sunshine and light. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to
Okay guys, this is like our 4th take. She's laughing, and I'm just sitting here going, it's cold. So maybe a little, I don't know. I should just leave. I don't want to be in my videos no more.